Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Nail Art by Faryal Shah. I would like to share my experience with using a nail stronger remedy. I have used this remedy for a while now, and it has been very effective in strengthening my nails. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a way to strengthen their nails. Firstly, please subscribe to my channel for more videos on Nail Art by Faryal Shah. I've been suffering from a weak brittle nails for years now, and I often get the question from my viewer, how can I get stronger and healthier nails? I've tried all sorts of products and remedies and none of them worked for me. Until I tried this. I had so many compliments on my nails in the past week. I've never had this much compliments before. This is a very simple remedy that you can do at home with only 4 things. I'm really impressed. Now, let's start our remedy for stronger nails. First, we need olive oil. Olive oil helps repair damage, softening the nails and cuticles, which contributes to nail strength. For strong nails, add 2 spoonfuls of olive oil. Adding coconut oil to your nails can help to strengthen them. Just add 2 spoonfuls to your nails every day and you'll see a difference. Coconut oil is very hydrating and can help strengthen your nails and soften your cuticles. Also, it has antifungal properties, which is great news if you're prone to nail infections. Adding 1 spoon of almond oil to coconut and olive oil can help strengthen nails. Almond oil helps to naturally restore nail health. Rich in essential antioxidants, omega-6 and 9 fatty acids, and vitamins A, B1, B2, and B6. Almond oil coats the nails with rich nutrients that protect them from peeling, cracking, dryness and breakage. Add 1 vitamin A capsules to this oil for strong and longer nails. Vitamin A can repair damaged nails due to polish or acrylics by nourishing and replenishing the nail to a healthier state, according to the nail educator. Plus, applying vitamin A regularly may even promote nail growth. Mix all ingredients together and use twice daily for 1 week, or until your nail condition improves. This remedy should be stored for 1 week. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye beauty ladies.